Most people assume that a crossbow needs to be the size of a small child to be dangerous. They are wrong. The products on this list prove that wrong repeatedly and with increasing enthusiasm as we go up the rankings. 10 compact crossbows, all legal, all available on Amazon, starting with pocket-sized novelty builds that are genuinely more fun than they have any right to be, and ending with the most accurate forward draw crossbow ever independently tested. We are counting down from solid to completely unhinged. Links to everything are in the description. This is Born Sharp. Let us get into it. Number 10, AMI XGS 16.4-inch mini lever recurve bow. This is where the list starts, and we are going to be upfront about what this is. The AMI XGS mini lever recurve bow is a 16.4-inch stainless steel pocket recurve bow with right-hand orientation, an 8-arrow set, and a paper target in the box. It is not a hunting weapon. It is not a tactical tool. What it is a remarkably well-made miniature recurve bow that introduces the mechanics of traditional archery in a format that fits in a jacket pocket and costs less than a decent lunch. The stainless steel construction gives it genuine durability that plastic competitors cannot match. The lever action cocking system makes it accessible regardless of draw strength. It comes with arrows and a target, so you can be shooting within minutes of opening the box. At 4.2 stars from verified buyers, the community reception is positive for what it is. The AMEY XGS is the right answer for someone who wants to understand recurve bow mechanics, wants something compact for indoor target practice, or wants an unusual gift for an archery enthusiast. Know what you are buying: a precision machined miniature recurve that over-delivers at its price point. Linked in the description. Number 9, AMI XGS compound bow set 9.5 inches. Same AMI YXGS manufacturer, different format entirely. The 9.5-inch compound bow set is a stainless steel miniature compound bow with a 12-pound draw weight, arriving with either 4 or 12 arrows and a paper target depending on the configuration you select. The compound pulley system on a bow this small is a genuine engineering curiosity. The cam mechanism reduces effective holding weight at full draw, which is the defining characteristic of a compound bow regardless of scale, and seeing it work on a 9.5-inch platform is legitimately impressive. The stainless steel build handles repeated use without the flex or loosening that cheaper materials show over time. At 12-pound draw weight, the arrows travel with enough energy for indoor target practice and backyard plinking at short range. This is the right buy for someone who wants to understand compound bow mechanics hands-on, for display alongside a serious bow collection, or as the kind of gift that makes someone genuinely confused for about 30 seconds before they realize it actually works. Number 8, Teeth Knot Mini Compound Bow. The Teeth Note is the #1 bestseller in Amazon's archery compound bows category. Not bestseller in mini compound bows, bestseller in compound bows overall. The market has spoken, and apparently the market wanted a 5.5-inch metal compound bow with elastic fiber limbs, a 50-foot range, 10 arrows, and a paper target at a price that is genuinely difficult to argue with. Metal bow handle with elastic fiber and metal limbs, right or left hand compatible. A 3-to-1 scale reduction of a classic composite bow design with high hardness and good toughness according to Teeth Knot. And given the build quality, that description holds up. Available in multiple configurations, including the training style, a blue pentagram plus at 7.8 inches, a laser compound version at 9.8 inches, and a stainless steel compound at 9.8 inches for buyers who decide mid-purchase that they want to escalate their commitment. Recommended for ages 12 and over with adult supervision. At 725 verified reviews and a 4.5-star rating as the category bestseller, the Teeth Knot has clearly found its audience. That audience appears to be people who want to shoot something small and metal in their backyard without spending serious money, which is a completely legitimate use case and one this product serves well. Find it linked in the description. Number 7, Steambow AR6 Stinger 2 Compact. 6 shots without reloading. From a crossbow that weighs 2.2 pounds. Steambow designed the AR6 Stinger 2 in Austria, and the Compact is the smaller, faster cycling version of their repeating crossbow platform. The integrated 6-arrow polymer magazine sits on top of the frame. Cock the lever, fire, cock again, Fire again. All 6 arrows are downrange in 5 seconds or less. Steamboat claims this as the fastest rate of fire of any repeating crossbow on the market, and the mechanism backs that claim. The compact ships with a 35-pound CQ limb producing 150 feet per second. That is the included baseline. The platform accepts interchangeable limbs from 35 to 75 pounds, upgrading velocity as your use case demands. Picatinny rails top and bottom accept optics, lights, and vertical foregrips. The integrated accessory compartment in the grip stores spare strings or small tools. Independent chronograph testing measured real-world velocity averaging 163 feet per second with standard bolts, slightly under the listed spec but highly consistent shot to shot. The fiber optic sight is a single post without a rear element, which creates windage challenges without a red dot on the top rail. For its rate of fire capability, this is the most tactically interesting compact crossbow at any price under $250. If this list is doing it for you so far, hit like and subscribe to Born Sharp right now. Everything is linked in the description. Number 6. Barnett Demon AccuStrike Mini Crossbow. Barnett pioneered the break-action crossbow with the Commando, and the Demon AccuStrike is their modern interpretation of that concept in a genuinely pocket-friendly package. Compact, break-action pistol crossbow with a flip-down foregrip, fiber optic sights, and a single-stage cocking mechanism that pushes the riser forward until it locks. Clean, repeatable, and quiet. 5 7-inch Hyperbolt bolts ship in the box, which is 5 more than most competitors include. The AccuStrike hits 190 frames per second. That is the honest figure from Barnett's own spec sheet, and it is appropriate for what this crossbow is designed to do. Introduce shooters to the break action format, enable backyard target practice, and handle small game at close range. The fiber optic sights give you fast target acquisition in variable light without needing to purchase an optic separately. The break action cocking mechanism reduces effective draw weight significantly, making it accessible for a wide range of users. Barnett's 1-year limited warranty is included. The honest caveat, 190 frames per second is the slowest crossbow on this list. Know what this is? A well-engineered entry point from a company with decades in the category. Number 5. 125-pound Mini Striker Repeating Warrior Kit. The Mini Striker Warrior Kit takes the base Mini Striker platform and adds a 6-bolt magazine for rapid successive fire. The standard Mini Striker is already the fastest single-shot pistol crossbow in its size class at 330 feet per second from 120 to 125 pounds of draw weight. Add the repeating magazine and you have the rate of fire of the Steamboat with the velocity of a serious hunting platform. That combination has very few direct competitors at any price. The integrated crank mechanism reduces the 125-pound draw weight to a 40-pound cocking effort through a 3 times mechanical advantage built into the body. The cocked axle-to-axle width is 5 inches, overall length 15 inches, weight 2.46 pounds. The kit includes the crossbow, the 6-bolt magazine, practice bolts, and broadhead-capable carbon bolts. The removable buttstock converts from pistol to rifle configuration in seconds without tools. Confirmed effective for small game at 25 to 40 yards, linked in the description. Number 4. Ballista Bat Standard Compound. The Ballista Bat is the platform that introduced a lot of people to the concept of a genuinely serious compound pistol crossbow, and the standard version remains the benchmark that every competitor in this category gets measured against. Ballista is a Ukrainian manufacturer, and the Bat was engineered from first principles to solve one problem: deliver compound crossbow energy from the smallest possible frame. The result? 300 frames per second from a 130-pound draw weight in a 24 by 5-inch frame weighing 2.46 pounds. The sliderless cable system minimizes friction between components. The built-in self-retracting cord tensioner loads quickly, silently, and with a maximum cocking force of 40 pounds, regardless of the 130-pound draw weight. That loading experience is genuinely different from any conventional cocking mechanism. The crossbow disassembles for storage into a 2x4 by 10-inch case. Weaver rail included for a red dot or laser. This is the original. Multiple products on this list were designed explicitly to compete with it. That is information worth knowing. Number 3. Ballista BAT Reverse Draw. Take everything the standard bat does and flip the limbs backward. The physics of that design change matter. In a reverse draw crossbow, the limbs point forward, which lengthens the power stroke significantly without increasing the overall frame size. A longer power stroke means the string accelerates the bolt for a greater distance, translating directly to higher velocity from the same draw weight. The bat reverse runs 150-pound limbs reaching 340 feet per second with a 50-pound cocking assist. The weight shifts toward the archer rather than forward of the grip, eliminating the forward dip you feel when aiming a front-heavy conventional crossbow and reducing wrist fatigue during extended sessions. At 16 by 5 inches when cocked and approximately 3 pounds, the reverse is sized identically to the standard bat for transport, but produces meaningfully more velocity. Picatinny rails top and bottom, bow fishing reel compatibility, and a 5-bolt magazine available separately for rapid reloads. For anyone who already knows what the bat is and wants the next level, the reverse is that conversation. Number 2. WT Mini Striker Pistol Crossbow. The Mini Striker Standalone is the single-shot configuration, and for hunting applications, it is the right call. The compound cam system and narrow limb design produce 330 feet per second from a 5-inch cocked axle-to-axle width. That combination does not exist anywhere else in this size category at any price. At 2.46 pounds and 15 inches overall, this goes in a day pack, a saddle hunting bag, a tree stand, or a canoe without rearranging anything. It shoots both 7-inch aluminum practice bolts and 10 to 11-inch broadhead-capable carbon bolts. Kinetic energy is rated at 25.25 foot-pounds, confirmed effective on deer at 35 to 40 yards with correct shot placement and appropriate bolt selection. The removable buttstock converts from pistol to rifle in seconds. For buyers choosing between this and the Warrior Kit, if you are hunting and want the most accurate, quietest, lowest profile setup, this is the one. If you want rapid fire plus hunting capability, the Kit. Both are the same excellent platform, two different applications. Number 1. 10-point TX Ultra 29.5. Everything else on this list is a compact platform making the most of its size constraints. The 10-point TX Ultra 29.5 is a full-scale hunting crossbow that happens to be compact. Those are different things, and the difference is worth every dollar of the gap in price. Outdoor Life named it the most accurate crossbow they tested in their 2025 annual test. Their 50-yard groups averaged 1.16 inches, described as tighter than the most accurate crossbow they had tested that entire year. 10-point claims 3-inch groups at 100 yards. Archery Business independently chronographed it at 443 feet per second against 10 points rated 460 feet per second. Field & Stream named it the best crossbow you can buy in 2026 after head-to-head testing against every major competitor. 3 independent publications, same conclusion. Zero torsion technology brings 8mm axles that are 175% stronger and 215% stiffer than conventional axles, combined with X wide limbs that are 20% wider and 120% stronger than standard. The twin riser technology riser is 18% lighter and twice as strong as a traditional riser. The zero track barrel and guide lock arrow rest system allows the string to free float like a vertical compound bow, eliminating rail-induced friction and bowstring wear entirely. The TriggerTech trigger breaks with zero creep. The AccuSlide Max cocking mechanism is silent, integrated, and includes an auto brake gear system that prevents the handle from spinning dangerously during the draw stroke. Made in the United States with a limited lifetime warranty, 29.5 inches long, 6.5 inches wide when cocked, 8 pounds without accessories. At $2,649, it is the most expensive product on this list by a very significant margin. It is also the only product on this list that multiple independent publications have described, after exhaustive comparative testing, as the best crossbow you can currently buy. Both things are true simultaneously, and neither one cancels out the other. All 10 are linked in the description below. Know your state laws before ordering. Crossbow legality for hunting varies by state and season. Handle every product on this list with appropriate care. Hit like, subscribe to Born Sharp, and let us know in the comments which one you are ordering. Stay sharp, and as always, stay safe.